Crypto prices today: Bitcoin gains 1.20%, Ethereum, XRP and Dogecoin rise. Most of the top cryptocurrencies were trading in the green on Wednesday. Bitcoin was up by 1.20% and popular meme coins registered price growth. Ethereum, Bitcoin's closest rival, rose 0.52% to $1,333.08. A majority of the popular cryptos witnessed price gains today, with XRP advanced by 4.37%, Polygon was up by 0.80%, Tron gained 1.66%, and Avalanche increased by 1.11% over the last 24 hours. However, tokens like Cardano declined by 0.05%, Polkadot lost 0.47%, Solana dipped by 0.37%, and Litecoin decreased by 0.79%. The global crypto market cap was up by 0.82% to $855.91 billion, while the total crypto market volume was lower by 16.74% and stood at $34.73 billion. Today's top gainers include Wu Network, Mina, Polo, and Clayton, growing by 11.99%, 6.03%, 3.62%, and 2.09%, respectively. Contrastingly, Gala, Lido DAO, and Jillica were among the losers, dropping by 10.78%, 8.26%, and 5.81%, respectively. Top meme coins displayed price growth today. Dogecoin was trading higher by 1.46% and is currently valued at $0.